Might need to wash those again. I can see a path that obviously goes down to the beach, so we are going to be able to get down there. I'm not looking forward to the walking back up again. Well, actually the walking down could be quite tough on the knees, but we'll go down there. That's probably as far as we're going to go anyway. I've got some, that's it. There's a stone in my shoe, making me sound like I'm wearing tap shoes. Quite a popular road here for learner drivers, so you might see a few come along here, like there was one there. Yeah, I could take one of these houses quite comfortably, I think. That'll do me. So there's about 3 really nice houses on this corner here, overlooking the sea, and the slopes on my right run steeply down to the coast and the beach. And what I'm hoping to do is to find the way down and try and follow that path down to the beach. Give it a go anyway. Still part of the Radnor foiling. A few cars up here, so if people have just parked here, whether they've walked down to the beach themselves, whether they're walking along Marine Drive. I definitely saw a path going down to the beach, and I think it started up here somewhere. So we're going to see if we can spot it. And work our way down there if we can.